On countless occasions, you searched in the dark. You lost yourself when facing the disorder. You wandered alone under a grey screen. Change is what keeps you from getting stale. Unilumin UTVⅢ paves the way for intelligent and effective business meetings in a simple manner. Everything's ready to go with UTVⅢ, and it will keep wowing attendees with the impressive ingenuity as they walk in. Just let your imagination run wild. And expand your potential to all. Connectivity leads to a wide world. With UTVⅢ, there would be no space barrier. Wherever you are, cloud control is always with you. Immersive view experience makes easy communication. Stand out from the crowd's noise and speak your mind. You will be heard. UTVⅢ builds a stage for visionary people who desire to make differences in their lives. Efficient communication. Common recognition. Meeting becomes a form of party where ideas clash and crash. Not just a blueprint, but a real layout. UTVⅢ leads a new era of intelligent and efficient business meetings.